what's up you guys? My name is Josie Bunn and I make fashion and DIY content here on my corner of the internet. If that is something that interests you, please subscribe to the channel. I'm almost at 400 subscribers, which is absolutely wacky to me, so I would love it if you joined me on this little journey of mine in this little section of the internet that I call my own. Today I have with me a very small Thrift With Me portion. I'm not sure if that's going to turn out, so if it's not in this video, that's why I kept getting distracted, because I was with my mom and she doesn't want to be on camera and she was in some of the shots, so I don't know if that's going to make it into this video. I'm so sorry if it didn't. And I have a thrift haul for you, so let me go ahead and introduce you to the Thrift With Me portion, and then we're going to go ahead and jump right on into the clothing haul and try on portion. Appleseed. Oh, I'm interested. I am interested. She's a Pendleton. Ooh. I'm incapable of reining myself in. Ever. Even a little bit. Ooh. Interesting colors. Oh my god. The birds. Ladies and gentlemen, her. Oh my god. That's cute. Too small. But cute. Oh my god, the denim. It's wanting a black pleated skirt. So I found this one. We'll hope it works. This is interesting. This is a very dirty mirror. This is interesting, but no. I don't like how it opens at the bottom. It's like supposed to open at the bottom, so I don't know. Oh my god, this fits. This ridiculousness. It fits. It's got like little hearts. I'll show you guys a better thing later, but oh my god. I'm kind of excited about this one. This is so stupidly cute. It's so stupid. I love it though. Look at her. It's like, I mean, that's a faux years old, but I love it. I actually really like this. I like the design. It's not very winter, but it's very cute. This is a really cute little cropped sweater vest, so I think I might get this. Maybe. This feels a little goofy. I don't think I'm gonna get this one. It's cute though. Oh, it's not. So far this is my yes pile, which is a bit big, and this is my nose. My no pile. This is still too big. Just found this slip dress, but it's got like these two slits up the side, and then it's got like this like tie-up situation happening. So that's like kind of amazing. So that's going in a yes. Oh. I can't leave here without this. This is Brittany Broski and Trixie Mattel Gold, and they're fabulous. Oh my god. Okay, to start off this haul, I want to go ahead and talk about this amazing, you guys know, I like to make everything that I do sort of like a luxurious ritual, right? So I don't like to just put on pajamas when I go to bed. I like to put on a matching set of pajamas when I go to bed. I like to make them silk. I like to make them cozy if it's cold out. And I like to wear robes a lot. I am a robe girl, so whenever I see a robe at the thrift store, I tend to gravitate towards those. This doesn't have a brand tag on the inside. I don't know if they ripped it out or if it just didn't have one, but this is adorable. It's very short. It's a very short robe, but I loved the print of it. I loved this dark, elegant blue shade with all this bright, gorgeous color just splashed across there with this beautiful like bird design, and then it's got these awesome floral, like pink and purple florals with these bright green leaves. And this is the type of thing that I will not only wear like when I'm getting ready in the morning and when I go to bed at night. This is the type of thing that I will take out like the silk belt and I will wear like jeans, t-shirt, and heels, and then I'll throw this on top and like maybe put a different belt on, and it's just so glamorous, but it looks so effortless because, you know, like it's nightwear. I'm a big fan of turning nightwear into daywear. If you've been on this channel for longer than 2 seconds, you know that. Okay, so I'm obsessed with this, with just like a white t-shirt and jeans, and then I've got white heels. Like, that's cute. That's cute. The second item is another piece of night to day wear, maybe. I'm not sure about this one, guys. This is originally from Victoria's Secret, and it is a long maxi, like floor-length silk dress. And I say I'm not sure if this is going to make it into my daytime wardrobe because of the sides. So both of the sides are like this. It's not just one side. But she's like fully out, like the entire side, and then like after the hip, it just breaks out into this long leg slit, and that's on both sides of this dress. So I'm not sure that I'll be able to style this in a way that's not so revealing because, well, for one, it's wintertime, a girl gets cold, and two, I don't know if I'm that confident. And I don't know if I'm willing to risk flashing the world. If you are, great dress. No judgment here. Absolutely none. I would see another woman wearing this, like, on the subway and be like, I wish I were you. I'm gonna see if I can make this work. If not, it'll be a very luxurious item to wear after I take a wonderful bath. This next piece is an Oleg Cassini item, and it clearly was part of a dress at one point. It's got these like little straps on the bottom where it would have connected to keep a dress like as one piece. But it is just this like really pretty, it's definitely not steel bone corseted, but it's like got these, a little bit of plastic boning, and it's just like this little corset. I mean, or I don't know, a female, what do they call that? Cummerbund. But it's the sequined, it's like gunmetal, silver and black sequined, like rose printed. I don't know if you'll be able to tell any of that. I can because I'm looking at it in person, but it is absolutely stunning. This piece is so gorgeous, and I am always looking for layering pieces like this, especially more corset-y ones. I've been so into corsets lately, so the fact that I have this one, this is a size medium as well, which it looks a little bit big for a medium. I say that and then it like doesn't fit. If something doesn't fit, you simply will not see it in the try-on. That's what I'm gonna go with here. This next item is a sweater by Jones New York. It is a really cute little turtleneck. It is like a cropped silhouette, so it's shorter than most sweaters are, which I really like. Obviously, that's like a much more modern cut for a sweater to be. And I thought the color was really interesting. I love this shade of green. I love every shade of green. I'm a very green girl. So I really love this, and I look forward to wearing it because it's freezing cold now. I have been so into cardigans this year, so I did pick up 2 of those. This one is by Land's End. I'm not actually familiar with that brand, so I'm gonna have to do some research and see if that is like whatever. I feel like it's a mall brand. Like you'd find it at like a nice mall. Feels like the Gap or like the Limited, things like that. Feels like that. It might be what this is. Maybe it's a $100 cardigan. I really don't know. I really liked it though. I love the colors in it. I'm in my sort of everything else in this haul will not tell you this, but I'm in a very neutral color phase. So black, white, gold tones, or like metallic tones, cream, browns, tans, all of those colors I'm very into at the moment. So this embodies that. So similar to that last one, this one is by Banana Republic, and this one was like brand new, but it is just this beautiful like 3/4 length sleeve cotton cardigan. It's so stunning. It's this navy blue color with this beautiful white design on the front. It's almost like these little honeycomb shapes, but they have little stripes in the honeycombs. I don't know. It has these dumb little pockets that don't do anything, so that's kind of fun. And then I do really like the enamel buttons. So they're just this like navy blue enamel with a silver lining on the side. And I don't know, I thought that this was really, really cute. I'm a big fan of it. And it almost looks like a sweater vest because the sleeves are like that block of plain color, and then the actual sweater itself, the part that covers you, is a different pattern. So I did think that was kind of a cool detail, how it like almost looks like a sweater vest. This is actually a vintage item. This is by the Limited, and judging by the tag, this is very much the 90s. I remember my mom shopping at the Limited a lot, along with Express. Oh my god, she was an Express girl. And I love this cute little pale purple lilac-y lavender colored sweater vest. I think this is absolutely adorable and pretty unexpected for winter. I feel like this is a very like springy color, but to have this layered over like a beautiful blouse or something is going to be a really big statement, I think. And I really love the color. I don't usually go for pastels like this, but something about this item, I was just like, I really like that. I love a good sweater vest. I'm not only into cardigans and sweaters this year, I'm so into sweater vests, as is everyone else and their mother. Like, everyone's on the sweater vest train. I am not special, but I am. These next two items, you guys, you're gonna click off if you don't like them. I know that, which is why I saved them for the end. I do have one skirt. I guess I'll show you that first, just because that's normal. This one is definitely vintage. It's a size 12, but it looks like a size 6, which worries me. Didn't really notice that. I just noticed the 12, and I was like, that'll definitely fit. In fact, I might have to take it in a smidge, or belt it. It's by the brand Michelle. And it's just a pleated skirt. Just a black pleated skirt, which I've been looking everywhere for, trying to find an affordable option, and one that also covers my butt, because whenever I buy these, they are so incredibly short, they do not cover my butt. So I was really excited about this one, but now looking at the waist, I'm worried. That's little. That's small, you guys. 12? I don't think so. She's a 6. So that's the last normal item I have to present to you. The next two items are arguably the ugliest, most controversial. This one you probably won't be that shocked by, because I tend to haul a lot of white versions of this shirt. I'm not sure if this is vintage or what country of origin this is from. I do not think it is from the US, just because the size is a 2L, and I'm not sure what 2L means. I'm not really sure what this is from or for, but it is this like really funny, let's be honest, really funny tuxedo blouse. I love these. I buy these in white. I call them old lady blouses because they definitely look older, but I find them very like runway ready if you can style them in the right way. And I think that I definitely could style this in a way that brings it to this century instead of making me look like I have dysentery. And I'm really excited to style it. So I know that most of you are gonna be like, Josie, that is so ugly, but I'm excited about her. And I hope you are too. I know you're probably not. You probably don't care. This one's a little on the nose. And again, I think I do really want to change these buttons out, because I am not vibing with this. But it is a pretty cute outfit. I do like the top. I just don't know if I like it in this fit. I think maybe some jeans would make it better. Some jeans and some cute black boots. But this is how you're getting it. This next shirt is like the polar opposite of that. And I think more of you are going to click off at this item than the last one, but I don't know, you might surprise me. Let me know which of these shirts you hate the most. I don't care. I'm still going to wear probably both of them, but I am excited to see which one you pick. Because for me, this one is like uglier, but I love it. So this is both what I would probably have worn as a 7-year-old and probably what I will be wearing when I'm 95. Because it's this giant, oh my god, it's this giant red oversized crew neck, really, is what the silhouette is, but it has this like white collar with this red stripe, and then it's got this like vine heart in the middle with these embroidered purple, white, and pink roses. And I just thought, okay, this with a pleated skirt and some sheer tights and some boots, kind of a mood, right? Kind of a mood, I think. If you style this right, I think this is chic. This is grandma chic. This is what I mean when I say when I say that. I don't know. I thought it was darling. And if nothing else, I can wear it to bed or like wear it while I'm crafting. And then I'm at least fitting the mood, right? I'm fitting the mood. That's okay. Okay, I'm gonna fight anyone that says this isn't a cute little fit. Little grandma sweater. We've got it tied at the back. Pleated black skirt. A mood and cute little boots. This is a mood. And I've like got it tucked so that it's like more cropped. It's a little long and it's a little bit tight, but the skirt also fits. So, winner, winner. I do want to show you one more thing, and I promise it's not hideous. I promise you. Most of you will probably like this. This is a very trendy item right now. And it is this gorgeous black and cream top. So it's not quite pure white. It's like more of a cream color. And it's got these black and white stripes, but what makes it interesting is this little corner of the shirt. And I really wish they had repeated this on the back of the shirt, but they didn't. It's just stripes, which is fine. It's still like patterned the same. It's still quality, but I really wish they had patterned it like this in the back too. This is super cute. I feel like it is Y2K without being so overtly Y2K and like so trendy that it becomes obsolete in a few weeks, I'm sure, because I'm sure Y2K is leaving and something else is going to be coming in very soon. But I really liked the colors, I really liked the print, and I was excited about the... I feel like this is trendy without being so trendy that I'll never wear it again after the trend is done. You know what I mean? So that is that on that, and that is all I picked up for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am Josie Bunn, and I would love it if you subscribed to the channel. I'm almost at 400 subscribers now, and that is so incredibly special to me. I'm so excited to come into the new year, hopefully with... My goal is 500, but I will be compassionate with myself if I do not reach that goal. But that is my goal. So now you know, now I know, that is the goal. We have 2 months to get there. I think we can do it. If not, I'll be really embarrassed. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in fashion and DIY content, and I will go ahead and see you guys next week. Please stay well until then. I do make videos every Saturday and every other Wednesday. And you get to listen to my dogs bark sometimes. So stay well until next time. Bye!